Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Cash App won't let you buy Bitcoin and you have already tried checking the application, there might be a few things outside of the application that you should be looking at. So first of all, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable, because weak or public Wi-Fi can cause purchase failures. So you can try switching to the mobile data or a different network. Then you need to reopen the application. You can even try this method in which you just have to swipe down your notification bar, tap on the airplane mode for 5 seconds, then tap on the airplane mode again. This is also going to improve your internet speed. Then you need to launch the app and check now if you can buy Bitcoin or not. The second thing that you need to check is your bank account or your debit card that is linked to Cash App. So if your card has some kind of restrictions going on crypto purchases, it can actually block your transaction. So you can contact to your bank to confirm whether the crypto buying is allowed on your card or not. You can also try linking a different bank account or card. Another fix that I can provide you is to turn off any VPNs or any location hiding applications if you are using that, because Cash App uses your device's location to allow Bitcoin transactions. So if it can't actually detect your location properly, it may block the feature as well. Finally, you need to make sure that your device's date and the time settings are also correct and set to automatic. So if these tips helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.